Granny.
What month is this?
Vlogmas.
Really? Okay.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Happy holidays, everyone. Have a happy holiday period. Okay, I will be reading my scripture this morning for Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. I can do all things through Christ that strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. Thank you. All right, this morning I'm getting ready to make, well, today or afternoon, whenever you are may be looking, I'm getting ready to make old-fashioned tea cakes. I made them last year, so I'll be using my recipe that I used already. I'm just going to I'm doubling the recipe. So if you want to make more of them, you will be able to have a double recipe right now. If you're going to make a single recipe, not going to want to make many, just use half of the ingredients that I'm using, half as I will be telling them. Now I'm starting 1.5 cups of sugar for one. So I'll be using 3 cups of sugar. That's what I'll be using. It's 3 cups of sugar. I'm trying to double it. And I'll be using 2 cups of vegetable shortening, which I am using Crisco. And so I have it divided up in 2 cups to make out the 2 cups. Okay. So now I'll be getting it, putting it in the bowl with the sugar.
Yeah, this is Vlogmas Day 2. Happy Vlogmas.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to stand up so I can start the mixer to working. I want you to see it. Okay. That's what I want, where I really would love to have it. Yeah, this is where I would love to have it, so. I'll be adding 1 egg at a time. I'll still be mixing while I'm adding the 1 egg. Stir this around just a little bit. Next, I'll be adding my baking powder white wing is hard to find. You may find one and won't find the other. So I'm going to be pouring a little bit in at a time. There are 7 cups here. Then I'll pour the rest.
Okay, y'all, she's just stirring the flour around a little bit before she cut the mixer back on.
Because the flour flies away so bad. I'm going to add all the baking powder at once.
And that's how much?
It's 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay? 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Two tablespoons of vanilla flavor, whatever. Okay. Now I'll be adding heavy cream. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. 4 tablespoons. And I have 7 cups of all-purpose flour. 7 cups is what I
And
have.
she using White Lily that a subscriber,
One of my subscribers sent me the White Lily flour. I'm going to set it on the floor. Okay, I've got this all mixed together, and I'm done with the mixer now.
hey y'all, she got a 1-inch scooper. She's on a scoop.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, y'all can make y'all tea cakes bigger or smaller. She just using the she making hers like maybe an inch, a little over an inch. And she has to make a lot. All her grandkids want some. Her grown grandkids want some tea cakes. Yeah, I remember my grandmother making tea cakes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I couldn't wait to go to her house because she always had tea cakes at her house. Always. Every night I went over there and she had didn't have tea cakes. I love tea cakes more than I did anything. Oh, Grandmama Catherine. Because I know she had tea cakes made. Oh my goodness. I tell you memories, y'all, with your grandmother. With your grandmothers. Enjoy the memories, especially if you had good memories with your grandmothers and your mothers and whoever.
It's baking in 10 minutes at 325.
Okay, y'all. She's gonna put them in the we'll show them as soon as they come out the oven. Thank you. Alright, y'all, she's on her second batch. Here's the first batch that came out. Okay. She's gonna mash them down so they'll be a little bit bigger. I mean, it depends on you. If you want the little tea cakes, or you want the larger ones. It's so good, y'all. Y'all like them? They're real good. My grandmother Catherine used to make them.
Okay, this is the final touches of my tea cake. And I did was do 50 cookies together. If you want to make more, you just triple it. Right now I have it double. So, but they are very, very good.
Oh my goodness, y'all. So
I would like for you all to try the tea cakes. And I think you all really enjoy the tea cakes. And then on top of these are some tea cakes that my grandmother and them had made long years ago, and my aunt and them. They all have them during the holidays. Even when they had them days that it wasn't holidays, just whenever they felt like they want to have tea cakes. I don't care if it was 100 degrees outside. They would get up and make some tea cakes. And they enjoyed them all the time. And I know that they would enjoy them with the ice cream or whatever they would have. And then just to have something to sit up and go into your pantry or wherever. You know, they used to have little old time little boxes that they had. And they would take, no one might not remember, but they used to have cigar boxes. And my family members would take the cigar boxes and wrap them up in napkins and cheesecloth on the inside to keep the cookies and a lot of times your bread fresh also. And when they would put the cheesecakes, they would wrap it around the cigar boxes, and then they would put maybe they did have, I can remember, they did have wax paper also then. So they would put the sheeted wax paper in there, and then also add another sheet of cheesecake in there also. Cheese cloth rather, and put it in there. And then if they wanted to keep them for a long period of time, they would just wrap them up in the packs, what you call them, cheese packs. They just like little cheese sheets, and they would wrap it up in there, and they put it inside of the wax paper, and they would keep them sometime for months and months and months. And I would always go back, because one of my grandmothers, she always kept tea cakes in the house. I don't care what time of the year it is. There was always a tea cake on the shelf. So I thank you all, but this is something that you might want to be interested in. I don't cloth anymore, they do. But anyway, everybody put everything in wax paper or Ziploc bags or. Okay, so maybe now everybody's used Ziploc bags. So maybe you all might want to make some and put them in Ziploc bags. And when you have company, okay. So maybe you want to keep them in a Ziploc bag. Now I want to show you the inside of this one. Now sometimes you can make some of them a little bit thicker, and you will have a little bit thicker cake. Or you can have them a little flatter, whichever you decide. Okay, this one is just a little bit thicker, and this is the inside of it. So if you would like them like this is really nice. If you like them a little way flatter, you can make them flatter also. Now I have one also that I have made that is flat, that I was trying to take a bite off of. Okay, this one is a flatter one because I flattened it out. The other one, I left them kind of round and let them make their own decision, which one that you like the best. So this is an opportunity to do either one because it's still going to be the same flavor.
Y'all, I'm sorry it's not showing good.
And this is will be the same flavor. So they're all very good.
Yeah, she made 50, but of course her grandson and her great-granddaughters have ate a lot of them. So it might not be exactly 50 left, but it did yield 50.
Okay, so I thank you all so much. And I hope you all have a blessed, happy holiday. And this is an ideal thing that you all can keep on hand for someone that has not know about tea cakes. And I hope you enjoyed the story that I had told you about in my past generation about the tea cakes. All right? Thank you all so much. With all my love. This is from Tea Cake from Miss Lena's Kitchen for 2023 that you may enjoy. And I hope you all will try them. They are totally delicious. Goodbye.